Hello and welcome to the GrabCAD Shop update for winter 2021. We have many new features and improvements to share, including GrabCAD Shop Jobs. Jobs manage multiple orders at once. GrabCAD Shop operators can now quickly process and track multiple orders at once using jobs. This new feature streamlines the part production for all shop operators. A job is a collection of similar parts that share the same technology, material, tray bed on an available machine or post-processing steps. To create a job for a machine in your shop, filter and select parts from active orders in your shop. Once jobs are created, all these parts in this job can be opened together and moved through different process steps. Once all parts are fabricated, a job can be completed. All the parts are moved to the final completed process step and all relevant requesters are automatically notified. This will also update all the part statuses to completed. By working with jobs, operators can save time and effort of dealing with individual orders and statuses. This job feature brings continuity to any shop, allowing for the automation of mundane, time-consuming tasks while simultaneously driving efficiency. Order item dependencies. Requesters can now submit orders for assemblies or parts with image or bump textures. This can be done by opening the order item and clicking the attached file icon to add relevant dependencies. This results in orders being more efficient with fewer order items. Operators benefit too, as they can fabricate order items with all relevant information, dependencies associations, and open them in GrabCAD Print without unnecessary back and forth with the requesters. PolyJet Single Material options now available. Similar to FDM, shop admins can now select and expose Vero, Agilis, and Tango single color options in their PolyJet machines to their requesters. These can be configured in the Machines page for all PolyJet machine types in our database. As a result, GrabCAD Shop users have more flexibility for PolyJet orders and use cases. Performance and security improvements. Shops with many orders, custom columns, or with many parts per order will now see significant improvements in page loading times. The orders list page loads 10 times faster and the order details page are twice as fast. The shop's home page, machines page, and history section have also been improved to help GrabCAD Shop users access their shops, orders, and relevant content quicker. To keep your shop orders and relevant metadata secure, we regularly track, identify, and fix security vulnerabilities. GrabCAD Shop recently underwent security penetration testing from a well-reputed agency, and all medium high priority vulnerabilities were addressed. You can find these in details on our security initiatives in our new security white paper. History and email notification on order updates. Requesters and assigned operators can now view a summary of all changes in an order, status updates, and file updates in the history section. The requester and assigned operator of an order will also be notified via email when these changes are made, so no important changes go unnoticed. Other users in the shop can choose to watch an order and be notified by checking the Notify Me About Updates box in the specific order. More printers and technologies available. Finally, we've heard your request for new machines and materials in GrabCAD Shop database, and we listened. As of Monday, December 13th, 2021, all new Stratasys machines and many third-party machines will be available to be added to your GrabCAD Shop. Stratasys additions include PolyJet printers like the J5 MetaJet, the J35 Pro, the J55 Prime, the FDM F770 printer, the P3 Technology printer Origin 1, the SAF Technology printer H350, and the resin-based RPS Neo printers. The new Stratasys ABS-C F10 material is also available on the F123 printers. Third-party additions include all printers and materials from 3D Gents, Zortrax, Raise 3D, Maker Gear, and Fusion 3 in the material extrusion technology. Sintera in the powder bed SLS technology, EX1 in the binder jetting technology, as well as New Form Labs materials in the resin-based technology. If you still want to add a machine to your shop and it's still not available, please let us know. You can find all these machine additions and other GrabCAD Shop updates by going to help.grabcad.com/shop/updates. And that is all what we have for you today in this release of GrabCAD Shop. Thank you for watching.